Hi guys, today I'm doing a video to show you guys how I will be installing my wig. I do have some combs in here and I have one here in the back which I won't be really using because the wig is a little bit bigger than my head and I need to still fix that. And I have two right here on the sides, and I will put a link down below to show you guys where I purchased the combs. And I really had a hard time cutting up the wig combs because it came in like a roll and I had to like cut it up. I think it broke my little pair of scissors, the one I used to layer my hair, and I had to use my Cutco scissors. If for any of you who are familiar with Cutco, it's really strong, sturdy scissors. So this is really quick. I mean, I had it in yesterday. I just took it out now to show you guys how I do it because it's really quick and efficient. And I didn't have any issues while I was asleep. So I do have my hair braided. Doesn't have to be neat or whatever. I do have a lot more hair than I usually have out. That's because I did have I sewed in the other wig I have with my Genesis version hair, but then I used a spandex cap which stretches a lot so that the wig didn't really fit my head good. But I really like this wig because I used like a weaving cap and it doesn't expand, it's sturdy. So I can't find any other beauty supply that have this caps anymore. But enough with the talking. So I'm gonna try to tie my hair so it doesn't get in the way. Like so. And yeah. So just gonna just position the cap. And then I'm gonna put in the first comb in here. Make sure it goes in all the way. Like so. And then I'm gonna put in the second comb. And then I'm gonna do the sides. And then I'm gonna do the back. You just put it in, so I didn't really think I needed to turn around to show you guys that. And now what I'm gonna do is I have some bobby pins here. And I'm just gonna lift up my head and pull it in. I will lift up the wig and fit that in. So I'm gonna do it on the other side too. Pull it. Put in the bobby pin. Like so. And then I'm just gonna go around my head and put bobby pins between each comb, or between two combs. So I already put a bobby pin between this comb and that comb, and I already put a bobby pin between this comb and that comb. So I'm gonna put a bobby pin between the back comb and my side comb. And another bobby pin between the back on this side and my side comb. And the most important thing is for you to be comfortable. If you feel like the wig or the combs or whatever is giving you like a headache, I would recommend you taking it out right away, because if you're doing this method, you can obviously take it out at night so your head can have some rest. But I did sleep with this in like this last night, and I had no issues, and I didn't tie up my hair or anything. So now I am just going to part my hair. And I did black. I dyed this hair black, and I dyed my hair black too, so it could better blend. As you can see, it looks like everything is growing from my scalp, because I did bleach. I dyed my hair and the wig the same color. And we are all done. Show you what it looks like in the back. Yeah, it's really sturdy. Like I said, I slept with this last night and it did not move or anything. So yeah, and I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna do a second video showing you guys how I'll be styling this wig. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this was a helpful video. And please subscribe, and please like this video. It takes only like a second or so if you want to see more videos from me. And you all have a blessed day. Bye.